Hi everyone, back again to another video, and I hope you will like my previous video about how I managed to pass the level 2 exam as well as the level 1 exam at the age of 21. So if you guys haven't watched that video yet, I hope that you can check that out. That will be in my channel. And this is just my second video, so I hope that this second video about how the CFA, is it worth it or not, I hope that it will be helpful for you to decide for yourself whether you are a student that you want to pursue the CFA designation during your college, or you are a young professional that wants to get the designation. So the question of, is the CFA worth it? It's been around for a while, and it's a very famous question when it comes to deciding whether or not you will pursue the CFA designation or just even taking the level 1 exam. So the CFA program itself, it's famous for the rigorous curriculum and high standard. So it brings up to the question of, is CFA actually worth it, worth the time of you will spend studying, this time that you will have to give up spending with your close friends and family, and really focus on getting that hours in, really understand the materials and trying to pass the exams. And is it even relevant to the nowadays current finance world? The benefits of the CFA is that it provides a comprehensive and in-depth understanding of various aspects of finance, which can enhance career prospects and professional credibility. From a recruiter's perspective, I would say that passing the CFA level 1 or level 2 exam does show that you are interested in the world of finance and you want to take it seriously, and really focusing on develop your knowledge, your financial knowledge, and the willingness to learn in your career. So it demonstrates a commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Another benefit of the CFA exam is that the CFA Chartered is recognized globally and can open doors to job opportunities in the investment industries. It does not necessarily secure you a role in high finance, but it does show again to the recruiters, to the hiring managers, that you are really interested in the world of finance and you're willing to take it seriously. So, and it is also highly valuable in specific industry, such as asset management, private equity, or doing equity research. So for a drawback of the CFA, for my experience, that the CFA program does actually requires a substantial amount of time commitment, often spanning several years. In my case, I started doing the study for the CFA level 1 exam in January of 2022. So, and I just recently finished the CFA level 2 in August 2023. So it has been 2 years now that I've been pursuing the CFA program, and I will continue to study for the CFA level 3 exam in August. So for me, I hope, or I expect to finish the program in 3 years. But with that said, this may impact the work-life balance and personal commitments. In my case, I didn't have much of the personal side for myself. I was really into professional development, really want to study more, learning more about the world of finance. I have actually declined a lot of invitation to hang out with my friends and such. So that is something that if you do ever consider to pursue the CFA designation, you might want to let your friends know, let your family know that you are fully committed to the studying for the exams. Another drawbacks of the CFA exam or the CFA curriculum or the CFA program is the financial investment involved, including exam fees and study materials, which can be significant. In my case, I paid the early registration fee of like $700 for the CFA level 1 and level 2 each, and I had to pay the registration fee of $400, which are all in USD. So that has already added up. I know that it's still something that is really relatively less expensive than, for example, an MBA or a master program at university. But that is something that we will compare in another video, I hope so. Another drawbacks that I find from experience of pursuing the program is that you'll be learning about theories and concept, and there will be no applicable learning in financial modeling or using investment software such as Bloomberg Terminal or Capital IQ. So if you want to get into more of like the technical stuff, the hands-on experience, you might have to learn it aside on your time. So there's no like Excel shortcuts or like using Excels and such. It's very theoretical and informational based. And for certain industries such as business valuation or accounting, that might not be really valuable or highly appreciated thing to have having a CFA for those roles. So that is something to keep in mind as well. There are other valuable designations aside from the CFA that are more tailored to a more specific industry involved, such as CPA for accounting, CBV for business valuation, or CFP for financial planning. Ultimately, whether the CFA is worth it or not, it just depends on the individual circumstances and career goals. In my case, I was really into the asset management, private equity side of thing, and I like to do equity research. I like to do a lot of research, I would say. So having a CFA makes sense for me, and the learning, I do enjoy the learning process of the CFA program. I learned a lot from it. A lot of the things that I've learned, I am still applied to my job nowadays. Not all of them, but a lot of material. So it's still beneficial for me. And I do think that having a CFA will open more career opportunities for me in the future within the financial services side. So there's that. And it is very essential to carefully evaluate the potential benefits, the cost, and the personal aspirations before embarking on the CFA journey. Again, if there's anything I can help you with, any tips and tricks that I can help you, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to share what I've learned so far within my journey of the CFA designation or with regards to my current career. I'm more happy to chat with. So again, my LinkedIn is in the bio, and I think I'll have the name on my LinkedIn here, so feel free to connect on LinkedIn. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you. Bye.